Have you ever missed a massive price move? What if a tool could spot these giant candles for you and help you ride the entire trend? Today we're looking at the free Auto-ATR volatility spike and trend tracker by BigBeluga. This simple indicator does two main things. First, it finds spikes. A spike is a sudden, very large price move. When a giant candle appears, the tool colors it bright orange for a buy or blue for a sell. It even prints a small label next to the candle, showing you exactly how big the move was, like plus 1.77. Second, it tracks the trend. Once a big spike happens, a shaded area appears on your chart. Think of this as your safe zone. At the edge of this zone is a trailing stop line. As long as price stays above this line, the uptrend is still going. You simply ride the wave. If price crosses the line, the trend is over. It's that simple. The settings are super simple. You can choose how it finds big moves. You can enter a fixed value, like only show me moves bigger than 1%. Or you can use auto mode, which reads the market, to find unusually large moves for the current conditions. It also comes with a neat dashboard in the corner that remembers the exact price of the latest buy and sell signals. Keep your charts clean and stay on the right side of the trend. You can grab this indicator completely free using the link in the description below. If you're an advanced trader and want to take your trading to the next level, check out our Market Waves PRO toolkit. It gives you easy to follow advanced trading tools all in one complete package, including advanced custom alerts. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.